Good morning, Putnam families. This is your friendly neighborhood Mr. Bender. And kindergartners, I'm here today to go through a lesson on counting and writing 13 and 14. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how can you count and write with 13 and 14 with words and numbers. So words and numbers, two different ways to express a number. Okay, so let's take a look here. Listen and draw. JP's number on his jersey is 14. I'm sure lots of you have sports jersey. How can you write this number? So for 13, we start at the top and do one straight line down. That's our 1. And then the 3 goes curve to the middle, curve to the bottom. That's our 13. So we go straight down. And then we start just below the top line there. And we make a half circle to the middle, a half circle to the bottom. That's our 13. We should always try and touch the line. And sometimes just like Mr. Bender, sometimes we get a little squiggly. That's okay, as long as we know what number it is. See, we touched the bottom there. That's great. Now words, writing in a word's a little bit tougher because you got to make a whole bunch of different shapes. So 13, okay, I like to start here for my T's, straight down, and then cross the middle. And again, touch the top for the H all the way down and make a hump for the H there. Then for the I, start at the middle, touch the bottom. Don't forget the little dot there. The R, touch the middle, touch the bottom, back up, touch the middle, make our arch. And then the T, start at the top, touch the bottom, cross. And then the E is just below the middle. And then touch the middle, touch the bottom, start just below the middle line, touch the middle, touch the bottom, and then your N, touch the middle, and go across. And now we've got our 14. We're doing 13 and 14, don't forget. And let's switch colors for 14. Let's go with green. I like green. 14, straight line down. That's our 1. Done. 1 and done. Straight line down for the 14, just like a 1. And then we're going to do like boop, boop. That's a right angle when you get a little bit older. But right now, just straight line down, straight line down to the middle, and then straight line over. Down to the middle. That's our 1. Straight line down again for our 4. Down to the middle, over. Down, straight line down to the middle, over. And you can practice these just kind of for fun to get them as good as you can do. Like, it's just to make it really recognizable. It's important for you to know which numbers you're writing, because if you're writing a number and somebody's like, well, I'm not sure what that is. What if it's, like on your order for, say, for food or for something that you're ordering from a store, and you write a 14, but they're like, I can't read it. You're not going to get the number you need. Like I said, for these T's, I like to go from top to the bottom. Just my personal preference. And we're going to make 4. We're going to write it in words. Now, these are worth the same, right? This number 13 and this word 13, they're just two ways to show the same value. Same with this 14, okay? And that's two different ways. And that's his number on his jersey. Count and tell how many. Well, let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10, and we can see that's a tens frame, and then 11, 12, 13. But, if we see that we have a tens frame like this, we can usually just say 10 and 11, 12, 13. All right. And then let's do this one. So, oh, wait, I have right here, I know this is tens. I can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2 5s. Or you can say 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 2. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's up to you. But remember, when you see this full tens frame, you know that that's 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 there as well. Remember, that tens frame is very important. 13. Okay, look at the tens and ones, tens, ones, and some more ones. Complete the addition sentence to match. Oof, okay, here we go. It's challenge times, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it going. All right, so as we said, if we look at this tens frame, we know that there are 10 here. So, okay, I know there's 10 here. Then I'll count my additional ones, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many did I add there to my tens frame? I added 3. Remember, try to touch the lines for a total of 13 objects, 13 blocks there. Okay? Tens are very important. We use tens a lot. All right, same strategy here. So let's say count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my 10. And then I have how many more? 10, and then 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for a total of 14. So we look right at that tens frame and we know that's 10. Whoops. See, everybody makes mistakes. Mistakes are important. This teaches me to go a little bit slower next time. 14. Again, straight line, another of 14. And that'll show us that answer. We did our 10 and then 4 more, which makes 14. All right, let's do our math. Let's do our addition sentence to show the pieces we put together. We know that the tens frame was 10. And then how many more did we have? We had 4 more, which makes a total of 14. Awesome. Awesome sauce, so I like to say. That is some awesome sauce right there. Oh, there we go. Woo. All right. So that's 10, right? That's our tens frame. That gives us 10. And then I'm going to put 3 more here. So what number did I just make that we've been talking about today? Here's 10, 11, 12, 13. We know that that's a 10 and 3 more. All right, let's try this one. Let's see. I'm gonna get a little tricky here. What number is this one? We have our 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 13 again. You know what? And what if I did this? What if I just added one more? Now we've got 10 plus the 4, which makes which number? 14, right? Excellent, because we're doing so great with this. Okay, circle a number, drag or draw more flowers to show that number. 10. Okay, there's our 10. So how many more do we need? I'm going to drag this. 11, 12. So we have our 10 and then 2 more. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our 10. That would fit in our 10 frame. And then 11, 12, 13. So it's our 10 and 3 more for 13. Let's do 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13. Oh, I didn't leave myself enough room here. 14, I'll sneak that in there. There we go. 14. All right, great job. How can you count and write 13 and 14 with words and numbers? Well, let's have a little bit of fun here. Let's get some funky pens and let's write a 13. Straight line down and then curl to the middle, curl to the bottom for our 13. Let's try a new one. And then let's do our 14. Let's see, what should we choose here? Let's choose, oh, this is pretty cool. So our 14, we go straight down, and then another line straight down, and then straight to the middle, straight across. Great. That's our 13 and 14. Now let's make those with our blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that doesn't look, super organized. Let's do this. Let's make 2 rows of 5. Well, what does that look like? That kind of looks like our tens frame. That's our 10. And let's do 11, 12, 13. That makes our 13. And what two numbers were we talking about today? 13 and 14. So I've got 13. How would I make 14? I've got my 10, 11, 12, 13. And I know that just one more is 14. 13 and 14. All right, great job, guys. So also we know the words, right? The word 13 and the word 14. So write those in words. So let's clear this off real quick. And let's write our numbers in words, and then we'll be done, and we'll have practiced all that we have talked about today. 13. T H I R T E E N. And then let's write 14. F O U R T E E N. That's a little scribbly, but these pens aren't always easy to use. So that is our practice today, learning about writing and counting 13 and 14. Remember the tens, so the tens are super important. Thank you so much for coming with me today and learning about this. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. I miss you guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon. All right. Bye, everybody.